What is the process of gathering needed information for research? What represents characteristics, numbers, or information that can change? What type of data represents categories? What type of data represents numbers? What is the term for data directly collected from its source? What is data called that is collected from existing sources? What is the first step in data collection? What represents a fixed characteristic in a study? What method involves collecting data through observations? What is a detailed examination of elements or structure of something?